welcome back to Cooking McGee Style. Let's make some crab stuffed flounder. It's gonna be amazing. It's gonna be a two-part video because tonight Bobby's gonna fillet the flounder for us and I'm gonna cook it tomorrow.
My first time cleaning a flounder.
There's our saltwater bath. It's our whole flounder. Flounders are a funny fish. They have both eyes here and the mouth. And then the gills. And on the other side, they've got the white side, which is the tummy. We bought these from a meat market and apparently they spear and stab their fish. If you just were to be catching them from like a hook or a lure, you wouldn't have this going on. That's why that's like that.
Right, and we're cleaning a flounder. Set this fillet over here for now and do the other side. Get all my fillets over here and take the skin off. Flip it around this way because I like to work this direction. Just trying to save all the meat that I can. I left some there. Oh, I get into the guts. Right. Skin is tough. Time out. My first time cleaning a flounder. There's just the leg again.
So I was curious
What?
if you do what you just did, but cut it around the top, around the head as well. If you just fold it over and skin it like you would a catfish.
No.
No?
I don't think it worked the way you want it to.
I think you're doing a fine job.
You know, skinning all the hogs and deer and stuff that I have, I know how to stay close to the bones. But this thing is just tough skin. There's one.
Nice.
See right through it. Trash can. You gotta keep the knife as flat as you can. That's why I got it off over here.
Hey. Into the ice saltwater bath.
Oh, that piece was so much easier. It just pulled right out. See the other side. Cool, that's fine.
And the last one. These 4 flounder fillets are going in the refrigerator in a Ziploc baggie until tomorrow, and we're gonna cook them. Crab stuffed flounder. It's gonna be amazing. Keep watching. Crab stuffed flounder with bacon wrapped asparagus and rice pilaf. What a dinner. I almost forgot the chopped parsley. There it is. Dinner time. Yumminess.